Let us proceed with the first song.
Apply color to lower lid and add mascara. Last but not least, apply some of the deepest eyeshadow below your bottom lashes with a thin pencil brush. Don't drag the color down too low, though, lest you look like a raccoon. Sparingly add mascara to the bottom lashes, and enjoy rocking your perfect cut crease. Add Mascara or Falsies. It's time to really make those top lashes pop by adding your favorite mascara or even falsies. Try a wispy strip that will enhance the cut crease. Apply liner. Next, add a long-wearing eyeliner. A nice cat eye wingtins look awesome with the cut crease look, but only drag the black line out as far as you feel comfortable. Don't forget to highlight. For highlighting, you'll need a fourth lighter eye color. Nude tones work, but you can also up the wow factor with a white gold shadow. Glitter would also look stellar directly over the foundation/concealer base. Use a very precise brush to add the highlighting color below the brow and in the inner corner as well. Define the crease. After you flawlessly work in the foundation or concealer, you'll need more of the darkest eyeshadow color. Deepen it up as much as you dare. The more contrast, the better. Just try to keep things neat. Create your crease. Don't worry at this point if things look a little messy, because now you're actually going to cut the crease. Use a flat, semi-firm makeup brush dipped in foundation or thick concealer to create a rounded line right below your natural crease. You want a significant portion of the lid to be a blank slate now. Work from below the crease all the way down to your lash line. Bust out your darkest shade. Bust out your darkest shade. Buff in a slightly darker shade. Buff in a slightly darker shade. Apply the first shade to upper crease area. To execute the perfect cut crease, you'll want to select 3 colors to use. Complementary colors work best, but feel free to step out of the box and pick some wackier shades too. Once you've got your choices, apply the lightest shade to the upper crease with a fluffy blending brush. Start off with your favorite primer. Start off with your favorite primer.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.